everyone, welcome to Students Homeopathy, and let's learn together.
George Vithoulkas is a prominent figure in classical homeopathy. He is known for his contributions to the field, particularly in the area of case-taking. Vithoulkas emphasizes a holistic approach to case-taking, where the homeopath seeks to understand the patient on multiple levels: physical, emotional, and mental. Some key points from George Vithoulkas on case-taking include detailed observation. He stresses the importance of observing the patient carefully, noting not just their symptoms, but also their demeanor, body language, and general appearance. Listening. Vithoulkas encourages homeopaths to listen to the patient's story without interrupting, allowing them to express themselves fully. Individualization. Each case is unique, and Vithoulkas advises against generalizing symptoms. The focus should be on the peculiar, characteristic symptoms that define the individual's condition. Focus on causation. Understanding the cause of the illness is crucial in homeopathy. Vithoulkas teaches that identifying the triggering factors can lead to a more accurate remedy selection. Patient's history. He advocates for a thorough exploration of the patient's medical history, including past traumas, illnesses, and emotional experiences, as these often influence current health issues. Mental and emotional symptoms. Vithoulkas strongly emphasizes mental and emotional symptoms, often considering them more significant than physical symptoms in determining the correct remedy. Repertorization. After gathering all the information, he recommends repertorization to match the symptoms with the best possible homeopathic remedy. These principles are foundational to Vithoulkas' approach and have been influential in the practice of classical homeopathy. So, that's all for this video. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, Students Homeopathy, please subscribe to it now. Also, click on the bell icon and select all so that you will not miss any of our informative, educational, and interesting videos on homeopathy. Please provide your feedback in the comments section. Also, we would love to answer your queries on this topic. Thank you.